What is up everybody? Today we're looking at how to find the area of rectangles using its official formula. Let's go. Okay, so what are we going to remember today? Well, we need to remember the formula, which is the area of a rectangle equals base times height. Or in other words, A equals BH. Area equals base times height. So in a nutshell, what we need to understand is the measurement along the bottom is called the base, and obviously in a rectangle, if we only had the top, that would be the same. So top and bottom would be our base, and the height is how tall our rectangle is, so in this case 3 centimeters, but it wouldn't matter if it was on the other side either. So when writing my answer, I'm going to start with my formula, area equals base times height, and then I'm simply going to subtract these letters with numbers. So area equals 5 times 3. So therefore area equals 15. Simple, but not quite, because I'm missing something. We have to have our units over here. What units are we working in? Well, we're working in centimeters. But even that's not quite finished, because when we're working with area, we have centimeters squared. And let's understand why we say this squared after centimeters. When we're working out area, essentially what we're doing is we are cutting this rectangle into 3 rows, just like this, and 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then when I measure area, essentially what we're doing is we're counting these squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's where we got our 15 from. And what have we got? We've got centimeter squares. That's why we say 15 centimeters squared. So in this very simple green chili challenge, our answer is 15 centimeters squared. And there you have it. That is how to find the area of a rectangle using the official formula. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, head on over to themathshelter.com where you're going to find loads more videos to help you with everything you need to know about maths. But for now guys, see you in another video. Peace